Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the circuit and confirming no power is present. Safety first. Once done, identify the incoming grid line, neutral, and ground alongside the LED driver. You strip 1/2 inch of insulation, match conductor colors, and pre-twist wires for a secure mechanical join. Make sure to use the correct driver rated for the LED load. This prevents flicker and overheating. Keep your multimeter handy to double-check continuity before finalizing any connections. Next, connect the grid line to the driver's L terminal and the neutral to N. This preserves correct polarity and ensures safe operation. Once connected, twist and secure with properly sized wire nuts and add tape if the environment is dusty or prone to vibration. Mount or hang the driver so strain relief keeps stress off terminations. Stressed wires cause intermittent faults. Finally, attach the ground to the fixture chassis and confirm low resistance with your meter to ensure a reliable earth. With connections secured, restore power at the breaker and watch the LEDs come to life. A steady, even glow indicates success. If you use a dimmer, make small adjustments to match the driver's dimming range, and then fasten covers and any weather seals. Label the breaker and note the driver model for future service. If you see flicker or uneven brightness, immediately shut the circuit off, then recheck neutral and driver terminals, because loose neutrals are the most common cause of intermittent behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.